guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angelb Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do 5 really quick, really simple sublimation projects for Christmas, last minute Christmas gifts. Now, all of these I did run into Michael's and pick up. I didn't have to order, I didn't have to pay for shipping, and I didn't have to wait for it. So these are really last minute gifts. Like if you're just in a crunch, in a bind, and you need some Christmas gifts really quickly, I went right into my local Michael's store and I picked these up. This is I'm going to be using the Make Market brand, which is all sublimation, 100% polyester items. So we did make a t-shirt here, a coffee mug, fully sublimated coffee mug, a tote bag, an ornament, and a makeup bag. And you will see all of these items close up. I know I'm kind of far away, but yeah, so we are going to be sublimating all of these items. Like I said, I went right into my local Michael's and I picked these up. Didn't have to wait for them to ship or anything like that. So these are super last minute gift ideas for you. So if you want to learn how to make these, go ahead and stick around. Alright guys, so I'm starting off by showing you that I am printing from my Epson SureColor F170, which is a already sublimation ready printer. I did not have to convert this printer. This is a sublimation printer that Epson sent me. I do have a couple reviews on my channel about this printer, and that print already looks good without even having to press it yet. But the first item we're going to be doing is the makeup bag, and this is the Make Market brand that I got from Michael's. It's the one that they carry in Michael's, and I just walked right in and I grabbed all of these items. But I did go ahead and lint roll the makeup bag. I applied 2 pieces of tape on each side. That is a piece of butcher paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds with my Cricut Easy Press. I have the Cricut Easy Press 3, which does have the capability to go up to 400 degrees. That looks absolutely amazing. Color is popping. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is these sublimation ornaments. Now in Michael's they call them tags, but they do come with like 2 pieces of ribbon that you can use to tie in those holes. So they look like ornaments to me, but it says sublimation tags. So what I did was I lint rolled them. You could use a piece of like Clorox wipes if you would rather do that, or alcohol. You can do that as well. And then I just flipped them over on top of the image, and now I'm going to turn them back over so that the piece of paper with the print is on top, so that it gets the maximum amount of heat. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with another piece of butcher paper, and then I'm going to press that at 400 degrees for 60 seconds as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. It is kind of hot. And there it is. That looks super cute. Like I said, it did come with a piece of ribbon, white ribbon, which I think I'm gonna try to tie on here. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what I'm doing right now. Oh, I guess I was getting the ribbon. Okay, so there's the ribbon. It was like inside the bag. And then I'm just tying I'm just tying the ribbon around. You can use any color ribbon that you want. You don't have to use the one from that bag. You can use any one. Alright, so now we are going to move on to the tote bag. Again, this is the Make Market brand, 100% polyester bag. What I'm going to do is go ahead and lint roll it really good. And I am going to use a Teflon pillow with this just because I want to make sure it gets enough pressure. And I will try to remember to link these Teflon pillows. They come in a 3-pack. I got them from Amazon. And then I'm just going to take my Cricut Easy Press, and I'm just going to kind of press out the lines a little bit so that my image lays nice and flat. Now I did get all of these images from Creative Fabrica. I will have a link down below for you to try it out if you would like to. It's $19 a month, and then all of these images, you know, they were included in the membership. So whereas you would normally have to go onto Etsy and then purchase each image for $3 to $5 per image, it's $19 a month and you have unlimited image downloads. But I did just tape this to my blank, and then I'm pressing it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds with my Easy Press 3. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape, and that is beautiful. Super cute. All right, the next thing we're going to do is a t-shirt, same brand, Make Market. I have this in a size large, and same thing, same process. I'm just gonna go ahead and lint roll it. I am gonna also use the pressing pillow for the shirt as well. Lint roll it. I'm getting the moisture and the wrinkles out of the t-shirt with my Easy Press, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay my image face down, put tape on the top and the bottom. I'm going to cover it with a piece of butcher paper, and we're going to press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds for this one as well. Once again, that color looks amazing. All right, and the last thing we're gonna do is a mug, and like I said, I did get this from Michael's Make Market brand, Sublimation Ready. This did come with a sticker that I had to get off, and then the sticker kind of ripped, so I had to use some Clorox wipes to get the sticker all the way off of it without it being like sticky in the part where the sticker was. But I did get this image from Creative Fabrica as well as a full wrap coffee mug image, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my Cricut mug press. For there's like 5 dots at the top. I just let it go for the full 5 dots, and then when it beeped, I went ahead and took it out. It is steaming hot, so please be careful, but that is beautiful. Look at that color. All right, guys, so that was all of our projects here. How many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here is the makeup bag, and again, like I said previously, all of these, I did pick these up from Michael's. I just walked right into my local Michael's store and I picked these all up. Okay, so super quick. If you need like a quick Christmas gift, these are definitely some nice gifts that you can just run into Michael's and grab really quickly without having to wait for it to ship. This is super cute. It's a little tote bag. Everything is 100% polyester. I did use the Make It brand, the Make Market. So this is a Make Market brand that they now carry in Michael's. Everything came out super, super vibrant. And I did print from my Epson SureColor F170 if you missed it in the beginning. Super cute. This one is still kind of warm a little bit. But that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye.